How to sign up for Kartra affiliate program. Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to sign up for Kartra affiliate program. If you are looking to earn extra commission by promoting one of the leading all-in-one marketing platform, you are in the right place. But first, let's understand what the Kartra affiliate program is all about. It's an incredible chance for you to earn money by referring customer to Kartra. When someone you refer become a paying Kartra customer, you will earn a commission. It's a win-win for both of you and your audience. As you can see this interface on my screen, you can easily access it by clicking the link in my description box. Once you click the link, you'll land on this page. You need to scroll down to the bottom of the page and look for an affiliate program. Then click on it. On the affiliate program page, you will find a apply now button. Click on it. To fill the application form, first of all, you need to read the terms and conditions. Once you have read them, just scroll down and then click on I accept and click on free sign up. Then you'll be directed to Kartra affiliate application form. Provide your personal detail here like your name, email, your public username, your password. Once you are done, click on create a free account. Then you need to fill affiliate program questionnaire. Once you are done, click on next. Then this notification will pop up that your request will be reviewed soon. Once your affiliate request is approved, you will automatically receive an email notification with your affiliate link. So basically after submitting, the Kartra team will review your application. Approval typically takes a few business days, so keep an eye on your email for updates. Once your application is approved, you will receive an email notification granting you access to your Kartra affiliate dashboard. Inside your dashboard, you will find your unique affiliate tracking links, promotional materials, and detailed report on your referrals and earnings. And congratulations, now you are officially a part of Kartra affiliate program. You are all set to promoting Kartra and earning commissions. I hope the video helped you. Remember to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful and subscribe our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.